I am plunging this leaf completely underwater just to show you how it actually breathes. Houseplants. We bring them inside to brighten our rooms. But have you ever wondered how they actually breathe? I have been carefully observing this beautiful houseplant in my greenhouse today. We hear they purify our air, acting like natural filters. But where are the lungs? I decided to test this out. I gently wiped the top of this broad leaf. It feels completely smooth, waxy, almost like polished leather. There are no visible breathing holes. So if the top is a solid shield, how does the air actually get inside? Let us investigate. Many think leaves just passively absorb air like a dry kitchen sponge. To test this theory, I took my magnifying glass and flipped the green leaf over. The underside is completely different. It is matte, textured, and safely hidden from direct sunlight. I prepared a special macro lens to look much closer at this hidden biological landscape. What I found was incredible. Thousands of microscopic, mouth-like pores scattered across the green leaf. These are called stomata. They do not just sit there, they physically open right up. But they lack muscles like we have. So what powers this tiny mechanical movement then? I set up a little experiment right on my potting bench to solve this mystery. I noticed that when the soil dries out, the green plant leaves start to droop. But when I pour fresh water into the pot, everything quickly firms up and rises. The secret is hydraulic pressure. The plant uses water exactly like hydraulic fluid inside machines. Each tiny pore is surrounded by 2 guard cells. Think of 2 tiny water balloons. When the plant is perfectly hydrated, water rushes into these guard cells, rapidly swelling them. This swelling physically pulls the pore wide open, safely allowing the leaf to breathe deeply. It is a brilliant design. The plant directly trades water for fresh air from rooms. While the pore is open, it slowly sucks in carbon dioxide to use for food. But here's the fascinating twist I discovered while measuring the air around the leaves. As it breathes in, it simultaneously exhales oxygen and pure water vapor into the air. This means your humble houseplant is actually operating as a completely natural, silent room humidifier. Marketing campaigns often exaggerate how much they purify our indoor air from all harmful toxins. But their real superpower is this continuous mechanical respiration, perfectly regulating your local atmospheric humidity. It is a tiny, water-powered engine working quietly on your windowsill every single sunny day. Let us look at the hydraulic action again. Watch the pressure force the valve open. It reminds me of the old water pump out by our main vegetable garden outside. Pressure builds up, the valve opens, and fresh water flows through the entire living system. Without internal water pressure, the guard cells deflate, and the microscopic mouths quickly snap shut. The plant locks its doors to save moisture, holding its breath until the next rain. It is a delicate balance of hydration and respiration, happening right under our very noses. So, next time you water your plants, remember you are not just giving them drinks. You are giving them the exact hydraulic power they need to open their tiny lungs. You fuel thousands of microscopic engines that constantly breathe life back into your living space. This completely changes how you look at a simple green leaf on the kitchen table. Nature's engineering is truly remarkable when you take the time to look a little closer. What everyday farm system or hidden natural mechanism should we investigate together next time, friends?